So today I stopped by a homeowner's site, which they were talking about a pool that was needed to be chipped or hydroblasted and was not. So now their new surface is getting cracks because it was not properly bonded to the previous surface. Unfortunately, also the paver installer, they used to have a river rock deck, which if you're having paver coping installed, you'll see the river rock here underneath the coping. But if you're having coping installed on a deck, always make sure that the contractor is removing the river rock to have bare concrete like this, which is underneath the river rock, before they install your new coping. Otherwise, it will not adhere, just as theirs didn't. So you can see that it's literally just coming off in large chunks here. It'll only get worse and worse. Then, of course, you incur large fees with removing it, prepping it, making sure it's the new size for new coping to go on it, and so forth. Being that the previous was laid over river rock, it may not line up perfectly with your tile if you were to keep your tile in a situation, and it can just get worse and worse. So just a heads up video for you guys out there.